Hello viewers, so welcome as you work out this Maths Olympiad problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch it up to the end. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is now what we have. So we have 9 to the power of a, then again plus 9 to the power of a is equals to 108. So the first thing that you need to do, we need to factorize 9 to the power of a plus 9 to the power of a. So 9 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 108. So from there now we have factorized it. So now 9 to the power of a, so let's work out the number inside the bracket. So 9 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 108. So from here now we shall divide both sides by 2 so that 2 and 2 shall now cancel. So now we shall now have 9 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once 2 into 108 is 54. So now we shall have 54. So in this case now it will be difficult for us to express 54 as a whole number to the base of 9. So what we shall do, we shall introduce the log from both sides. So in this case now we shall end up with the log of 9 to the power of a is equals to the log of 54. So we all know that suppose we have the log of a to the power of b. This one can also be written as b log a. So let's write the log of 9 to the power of a in the form of b log a. So here now we shall now say that we shall now have a log 9 is equals to the log of 54. So from here now we want to remain with a. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 9. This side also by the log of 9, so that the log of 9 and the log of 9 shall cancel. So meaning that our a now shall be equals to the log of 54 all over now the log of 9. So this one is not the answer, you can still go ahead and factorize it. So a is equals to the log of 54 can also be written as the log of 9 multiplied by 6 all over the log of 9. So this one can also be written as a is equals to the log of 9 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 9. So here now we shall now say that a is equals to, let's split the equation, the log of 9, then this log 9 shall divide log 9 and also log 6 all over log 9. Then you add the plus the log of 6 all over the log of 9. So the log of 9 and the log of 9 shall cancel. So now our a is equals to 1 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 9. So we can still factorize the log of 6 by now saying that our a is equals to 1 plus the log 6 and also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2 all over the log of 9. So here now shall now say that a is equals to 1 plus, so now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 9. So the log of 9 can also be expressed as a is equals to 1 plus now the log of 3 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 9 shall now have the log of 3 to the power of 2, because 3 times 3 is 9. So let's now split it by now saying that a is equals to 1 plus, now we shall have the log of 3 all over, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 shall be written as 2 log 3, so all over 2 log 3, then here plus again the log of 2 all over 2 log 3. So here now we shall now say that our value for a is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall have a half because the log of 3 and the log of 3 shall cancel, now plus here now we shall have a half also, so we shall now have a half log 2 over the log of 3. So from here now we shall now say that in case we have 1 plus 1 over 2, now say that a is equals to 3 over 2 because 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2 plus a half. Then in this case the log of 2 all over the log of 3. So suppose we have the log of a all over the log of b. This one can also be expressed as the log of a to the base of b. So now finally our value for a is equals to 3 over 2 plus a half the log of 2 to the base of 3. So if you really love how we worked it out, please kindly subscribe to our channel. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.